Hi, today I'll be doing a speech about the rain. Rain! It's wet. Seriously?
Let's go drag y'all up. Come on. Go drag y'all up. Come on. Go get a tail.
There
you go. Go get y'all.
I'll do a speech about fire. Fire. Red hot. Not wet. Burning. Scalding. Water is better than fire. Fire is better than water. Water. Fire. Whoa. I just saw the lightning. Me too. I heard thunder. Is that thunder? What are y'all doing here? What are y'all doing here? Yeah, I heard you fighting. Now me, lightning and thunder will help you. Yes. To make it sure who is who. Who is who? You're thunder, you're lightning. Of course. Now, prepare to die! We are better! Better than ever! Now we have to go over the channel. Ha 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 ha. Bye!